State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, everyone. One more in this iPhone 2. All right, on the iPhone, I just let you in the room. Start your video and unmute yourself and state your name, please.
Yes, it's going to be Guadalupe Maria.
Guadalupe Maria, please start your video. All right, Ms. Guadalupe, do you need an interpreter?
Oh, no, I'm fine. Speak English.
Very well. And good morning to you.
Okay.
All right, are we ready to go, Mr. Bear?
Ready, Your Honor.
Got Ochoa, Antonio Ochoa Diaz. Who had him?
I did, Your Honor. And we're ready. If you call the case.
Not yet. Let's go ahead and call it now. This is the city of Detroit versus Antonio Ochoa Diaz, case number SP 159-38201, SP 159-40051. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Ochoa Davis.
Antonio Ochoa Diaz.
Yes. Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 and the dismissal of the remaining matter.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Diaz? It will be $105. It will be an abstraction on your license, but it won't have any points.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea on behalf of your client, Mr. Berry.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
I'm sorry, Ms. I'll find your client responsible for the account of limited access, $125. When can you pay it, Mr. Diaz?
I can make the payment today.
Wait until that payment says limited access. It'll only be $125. That seems like all you owe. And then pay it. Then pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. I'm gonna give you until Friday to figure that out, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. There's nothing further, sir. You have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you. Ms. Harris, are we ready on Andre Lamar Gordon?
This was Andre Gardner Gordon, and it's a trial matter at 9 a.m. But we are ready on Ms. Giles.
Andre Gardner Gordon. Is Andre Lamar Gordon here? Ms. Giles.
Hey, how you doing? My name is Andre Gardner Gordon.
Andre Gardner Gordon. All right. And but you're not Andre Lamar Gordon, though, are you?
No, I'm Andre Gardner Gordon.
Okay. That's at 9. We're going to give the officers a half-hour grace period for anybody that has a trial. And for that officer If they don't show, we'll get you out of here. If they do show, we'll get you, to the attorney, get you the offer, and you can have the opportunity to pre-try the case, all right?
Okay,
And
thank you, Your Honor.
I didn't get a chance to look it up, but is that Miss Duplessis the attorney or is the officer Duplessis?
For Andre Gardner, I didn't get a chance to look it up either. City of Detroit versus Chanel Giles, case number SP 1147746, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1281800, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1393140, counts 1, 2. SP 1375508, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1577475, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherrica Harris on behalf of Ms. Giles, please state your name for the record.
Miss Chanel Giles. Is she on?
Chanel Giles, I'm sorry.
Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for a pre-trial. You want trial date, Ms. Harris?
She's just going to take her test for her license, so a pre-trial if the court will allow.
Let's set it for a trial since she's already had a rain and stuff, and then it'll give her a longer time as well, and it'll keep it on the court's docket move. Let's set a trial date. Ms. Mathis didn't give me any new trial date. Let's set a trial date for November 21st, 2024 at 9 a.m. I'll take that. I'm going to finish up these.
Excuse me, Judge Perkins. This is Davion Green. I was wondering, do I speak to an attorney?
In a minute, when I get to you, we'll get you a time to speak to an attorney. Good morning to you.
Good morning, you.
All right, Ms. Giles, you come back on November 21st, 2024 at 9 a.m. That will set that for a trial, and we will, good luck on getting that license.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Great day.
You too.
What about Gordon, Andre G. Gordon? Where's Andre G. Gordon?
Andre G. Gordon is the 9 o'clock trial matter. Gardner Gordon.
Okay, very well. And then, so trial, I'll mark there. Tony George,
Yes.
City of Detroit versus, good morning to you, City of Detroit versus Tony Braddock George. Case
Yes, good
number,
morning.
yeah, good morning. Case number is SP 1277619 and U52651519. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. George.
Tony Braddock George.
Day and time set for a pre-trial. The offer, let me pull up the offers. I'll read them into the record. The offer as it stands right now, Mr. George, is dismissing the disorderly conduct, pleading to the failure to display, $240 fine, and will abstract to the Secretary of State, however, won't carry any points. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Do you have a valid license?
No, I do not, sir.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Jackie Orem.
Present, sir. I'm present, Judge.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit. Versus Jacqueline Borum, case number SP 1594053, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Jacqueline on.
Sharon Harris on behalf of Ms. Oral.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. This is an allowing and a no insurance. The author will be pleading to the allowing and dismissing the no insurance, $240 fine with absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. Have a conversation with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. On the iPhone, I just let in the room, young lady with the hat on. What is your name, please?
Yes, this is Brittany. I'm calling, well, I'm adding myself to the call for my cousin, Jasmine Gaines. She's at work right now. She just wanted me to say that she wasn't able to make the court hearing today and that she was wondering if she could reschedule.
Well, where is she? She can call in from work. I got people
She works
calling.
at Ford. She doesn't have service. She messaged me like through an app. She's at the plant.
So why didn't, what's going to change the next time is what, and I guess I can't expect you to answer that question, but.
I think maybe if she has a date in the future, she can request the
She had the
date
date,
off.
she had the date in the future.
I'm not trying to make it worse.
No,
I'm
you're
sorry.
not making it any worse. It's not gonna be, but you see what I'm saying? She had the date in the future. It's she knew
Well, I know
about
she
this.
wants to get it taken care of for sure. And she wants to, be at the court hearing. So she just told me to let you know that she wasn't able to get off work this time. She would like to reschedule if you could, for a later date.
We'll message her back and ask her what time she goes on break or something.
Okay. I think usually she goes on break at like 11. She's probably back inside of the plant now, so I don't even think she's going to be able to receive the message.
Okay, we'll try.
But usually she goes to break like around 11, I believe.
Right,
And I think
try to message her for me now, please, and then she'll get that message and then tell her to zoom in on her break. All right. Are we ready on anyone?
Okay, so she can't reschedule and just let her know to zoom in on her break.
Yes, please.
And it'll still be going on at like 11 or maybe noon?
It's gonna be probably so.
Okay. All right, I'll let her know. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
All right, anybody else here, retained counsel or anything? All right, we're waiting on the lawyers to come up. Ariello? Ariello?
Yes, good morning.
Buenos dias, necesito interpreter.
Excuse me.
Do you need an interpreter?
I don't think so. Or maybe yeah.
While we're waiting here, Mr. Bowman, you can get acquainted with your officers.
That was my next move, Your Honor. Thank you.
No. Yeah, you can bring your deck, but come
Hold
on.
on, don't interrupt. You're on Zoom now. Ms. Miller, good morning to you. Who's your client?
Good morning, Judge. I'm covering for attorney Ashley Duplessis on a Mr. Gardner Gordon.
Gardner Gordon. Okay, very well. Let's see, Gardner Gordon.
I believe I see him on the screen, Judge. Andre.
He's here.
Yeah, I'm here, Judge.
All right, and the officers here. So let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Dion Gardner Gordon. Case number SP 150178551. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexandra Miller on behalf of Mr. Gardner Gordon, who is present with us this morning via Zoom. I am standing in for attorney of record Ashley Duplessis.
Mr. Gardner Gordon, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, my name is Andre Gardner Gordon.
Good morning to you. The offer in this case today is the date and time set for a trial. The officer is here. I am going to what are you doing here? 3-month delayed sentence. That's a $240 fine. The delay means if you don't get any more trouble like this in 3 months, then we'll dismiss the case. What I will do is I will have the ticket sent. I can have the copy of the ticket sent to you, Ms. Miller. So let's see if there's any. Well, I don't have a copy of the ticket in the file. Well, I do. It has nothing to suggest what they allege that Mr. Gardner Gordon was being disorderly about. So no remarks in the file, just Randolph and Monroe Street on 11/17/2023 at 10:29. So I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, speak to him, and you let us know what he wants to do. Today is the date and time set for trial. And we'll pass the matter. And the officer is here.
Thank you, Judge.
And then I'll let you speak with the city if you need to. All right, let's pass that matter. Mr. Berry, are we ready on Tony George?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. George. Mr. George, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. George?
Yes, sir.
The trial date will be November the 21st, 2024 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
All right, Mr. Berry, this is the city of Detroit versus Tamia Pearl Lyons. Strike that. I hope I pronounced the first name right. This is the state of Michigan versus Tamia Pearl Lyons, case number SX 439-1118, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lyons.
Hi, it's Tamaya Pearl Lyons.
I'm sorry, Ms. Tamaya Pearl Lyons. Sorry for the mispronunciation. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. The offer should be in the file, and the offer is pleading to defective equipment that just expired plate, and will dismiss the rest. $145. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry.
Okay.
Join the room, please. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Jackie Oram. Ms. Jacqueline Oram, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client wishes to have the matter set for trial.
Very
We
well.
also would like to request that discovery be made available that day as well.
Make sure that Mr. Bowman. Good morning. Yeah. Make sure Mr. Bowman gets that discovery request. All right, Ms. Oram.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You want that trial date, correct? Trial date is going to be November the 21st, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any further questions, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right. Best of luck to you. Have a very good day.
You too, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I apologize for interrupting. May I please be placed in a breakout room with the prosecutor, please?
Okay, he's in there talking right now to his officers. So what we'll do is we'll wait till he comes out, and I'll put you in breakout room 4.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
I'm going to give you the freedom to move from that to your client's room.
Thank you, Judge.
Ariello. Ariello.
Yes.
What is your full name?
Aurelio Zamora.
Zamora?
Sí.
Aurelio Zamora. Spell the last name, please.
My English is not so good, but I'm gonna try. It's C-A-M-O-R-E.
O-R-E. That's the bien. 337. Let's get an interpreter in here, please. For this gentleman. It's you, it's printing out. Let's get an interpreter.
I'm sorry, were you trying to tell him he needs to go into another courtroom? I missed it.
And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get an interpreter and then I'll send them both over there at one time.
Okay.
All right. Goldberg.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Yamari Goldberg, case number SP 1535345, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Yamari Goldberg.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a show cause.
For purpose of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a guilty plea on your client's behalf to give your client a $0 bond. Your client missed a formal hearing date on 6/21/2024, and that matter has gone into default, the wrong way driving. See, the offer as it stands right now is pleading to failure to display and amendment count of allowing, just either failure to display or allowing. Unless the city had intentions on, no, just failure to display, $240 fine. It will abstract the secretary, but it won't carry any points. And you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Berry, Ms. Harris, and have a conversation with her. Join the room. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the book with Ms. Lyons. Ms. Lyons, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the offer, stands ready to enter a plea to defective equipment.
Well, it's going to be the expired plate.
Yes.
She can take defective equipment.
Yeah.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis whether responsible plea counsel on behalf of your client.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right. Ms. Lyons, I'll find you responsible as charged the defective equipment violation, $120 dismissing the other. When can you pay it?
By like the 14th or 15th, if that's fine.
Pay it by the 20th, all right? Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDad app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it now. If you don't have anything further, best of luck to you and you're free to leave. Have a very good day.
Okay, you as well. Thank you.
Your Honor, ready on Mr. Latham.
Take care of the public sector, please. Take care of puppies.
Did we call? We didn't call Mr. Latham's case yet, did we?
No. No, we didn't.
All right. Let's go on the city of Detroit.
Excuse me, Mr. Bowman. This is attorney Alex Miller. I'm covering on a bench trial today. Can we please meet in breakout room 4?
Yes.
All right. City of Detroit versus Dion Latham, case number SP 151-75101. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your name, Mr. Latham. Your full name.
Dion Latham. Dion Latham.
Today is the date and time set for show cause. Go ahead, counsel. Is it set for show? Or is it set for pre-trial? Pre-trial.
Yes.
Go ahead. What's your client want to do?
Well, Your Honor, Mr. Latham is of the belief and opinion that he paid this ticket back in September. If the court can verify that.
I don't see how he paid it if it never was adjudicated. September? You're talking about September of last year?
It was this year. It was August or September. The last time I seen you, you added me on it. It was August of this year, August or September. The last time I came to court, that's what you had me go pay, the $208 ticket. And I paid it. But the license reinstated. And
do you have a valid license?
No, I got to get it done.
Now, I don't know what you're talking about. I gave you the opportunity to pay this probably this, let's see. Yeah, on July the 5th, I gave him an opportunity to pay that no insurance civil infraction, so he can be eligible for a license. He did pay that, but he didn't go get a license.
Your Honor. Okay, Mr. Your Honor,
he's breaking up.
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor. Let him complete this.
All right, Mr. Latham. So when you were here before, I let you know that paying that no insurance civil infraction and those no insurance proofs tickets would be open you up potentially to get a valid license. You did do one part of it and that you paid it. And I don't see anything down here at 36th District Court that would prevent you from getting a license. I don't know what your record looks like in other jurisdictions, but it doesn't seem like by what you're saying that you ever went to the Secretary of State to try to get that license.
I had to make it for a date. Every time I make a date, when I get off work, they be closed.
All right, so we'll set a trial date for the 21st of November, and you'll have that time to get that license. If you bring a license in, I will dismiss the ticket for providing valid documentation. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. I'll see you back September 21st. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too, sir.
All right. Let me call Davion Green. Is that Davion Dwayne Green or Davion George Green?
I'm here, Your Honor. Davion Marshall Green.
Davion Marshall Green.
Yep.
I'm all the way off.
I don't know where the middle name came from.
Let's see here. 8:45. Very well.
Oh shit, let me put a shirt back on.
City of Detroit versus Davion Marcel Green, case number SP 159-40041. Mr. Barrett, appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
Davion Marshall Green.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
I enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf to give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Green, you owe $336. That's preventing you, at least down here with the 36th District Court, from getting a license. I don't know what your tickets, I don't know. Your driving record looks like in other jurisdictions, but if you pay that $336, you would have, you also owe $258. So don't say I didn't tell you that, but the $336 is what's preventing you from getting a license. And if you pay that, you can potentially set yourself up to bring a valid driver's license in. You pay it, you wait 48 to 72 hours from the time you pay it for that clearance to get to the Secretary of State. Go to Secretary of State, try to get a license. You can come back on October the 28th, 2024. You want to do that?
I can do that. Can I do a payment plan, or that's the only option to pay in full?
It's the only option. I mean, the quickest way is to muster up $336 and pay it, because I'm giving you until 11/28 to get that valid license.
Okay, and it's $336. You say?
Yeah, that's $336. Now you're gonna also see $258. You're gonna owe that too. So don't say I didn't tell you that.
Okay, collective. What do I owe together?
You owe together $594. All right.
All right.
But the $336 is what I would concentrate on first, and then you can get that. You can potentially get that license. Okay.
Okay.
Hopefully you come back at on October the 28th, 2024 with a valid license. If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Kiana? Who was that? Kiona? They left. Antonio Vaughn?
I'm here, Kiana.
Kiana? Did appear. I'm seeing this now. What is your full name, ma'am?
Kiana Green Thomas.
Green Thomas. Is that with an E on the end of Green?
No.
Yeah, we go all the way here. Yeah. Yeah. So I wish I could make a unilateral decision right now without I can have to get a thumbs up.
City of Detroit. This is Kiana Green Thomas. Case numbers SP 1594528, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1594531. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green Thomas.
Kiana Green Thomas.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Green Thomas, as it stands right now.
Okay. Oh, that's what you said.
Your offer is going to be a failure to display, improper display. Is it your intention of having her plead to two misdemeanors in exchange for one dismissal, Mr.?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, as I understand
so 240. Again, you're amending a no insurance to a failure to display. They're both abstracting, so that's not necessary. Typically, a no insurance is by the city is amended to improper plate. That does not abstract. And
Your Honor, I don't have an objection to that. And could you tell me what time Ms. Green Thomas is?
8:35, the top of page
8:35. Okay, hold on.
8:35. On your docket is the bottom of page 2 and the top of page 3. The offer is of the improper display of plate. I'm only going to fine you for one thing, ma'am. Is no insurance $240. It's going to be amended to improper plates, $240 fine. You can plead to the improper display of plate. We'll dismiss the expired plate. And if you plead to the no insurance misdemeanor, to the amended count of failure to display, I'll dismiss upon payment. Will not abstract, will not carry any points. I'm going to put you in a breakout room and have Mr. Berry explain things to you, and you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Join the room, please. All right. Miss Gover, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gover. Ms. Gover, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date, and we're asking that discovery be made available that day.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gover? So I have 2 requests for discoveries today, Mr. Bowman.
Yes, Your Honor. And what time is this case listed for, so I can note it for the discovery request?
This case is listed for Gober, Gober. It's listed on the show cause at 8:45, bottom third of the third, page 3, on my doc. So that's what you want to do, Ms. Gober? Where's Ms. Gober?
You have to
It'll be
unmute your
unmuted.
device. Yes, there you go.
So the host will ask you to start. Okay. Yes, I'm here.
All right, is that what you want to do?
Yes.
Trial. All right, our trial date is going to be November 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m., right?
Okay.
All right, have a good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
All right.
And then
Appreciate it.
all right, have a great day. We had another discovery request. Give that information to Mr. Bowman as well.
Mr. Bowman, that discovery request was 8:35. Jacqueline Orum, page 4 of the docket you sent out. ORUM.
All right, hold on one second, please. You said page 4?
Yes.
Frederick G.
Okay, we're talking about, I'm sorry, Your Honor, we're talking about Jacqueline Orum.
Yes.
Discovery request.
Was made today.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, counsel.
You're welcome. Frederick G. Where's Frederick G?
Right here.
What is your full name? Good morning to you.
Frederick Marcel Gilmore.
Gilmore.
Yes.
City of Detroit, Ms. Harris versus Frederick Marcel Gilmore, U6881232. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gilmore, please state your name for the record.
Frederick Marcel Gilmore.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. The offer as it stands right now, Mr. Frederick Gilmore, is to plead no offer, $240 fine. So it doesn't have anything. It's just a vending without a license ticket, Miss I don't know what that is, 24 lightweight, something balloons. Hold on, Mr. Gilmore, now I know you want to
Okay.
say something, give you a chance to speak to Ms. Harris. We'll dismiss upon payment 240. Speak to Ms. Harris in a breakout room and let us know what you want to do. You have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Ms. Miller, are we ready on Andre Gardner Gordon? You're on mute. All right, you're on mute. Ms. Miller, are we ready on Andre Gardner Gordon?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with, we called it in the, let's go back on the record with Andre Dion Gardner Gordon. I've given you an opportunity to speak to your client. What about the officer? Let's bring the officer in as well. What does your client want to do?
Yes, Your Honor, I've had the opportunity to speak with my client as well as Mr. Bowman for the people. Respectfully, Your Honor, the defense is moving for dismissal based off of the discussions with Mr. Bowman, and I believe there is going to be no objection to that as well.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Case going to be dismissed per city. All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gardner Gordon, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Mr. Bowman, I'm trying to pull your officer out, but they're not coming, so you can tell Officer Arella to that they are free to leave. Okay, I'll mark the file that they're.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day, everyone. Mr. Gardner Gordon, you're all set.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor, and thank you, Counselor.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
All right. You too.
All right, Mr. Berry, are we ready on your client?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Green Thomas.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green Thomas. Ms. Green Thomas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
As it turns out, Your Honor, my client has valid insurance and registration.
You speak to Mr. Bowman about that?
I have not, Your Honor. Those are the only matters before the court. There's no place.
He has an improper display of plate as well. Speak to Mr. Bowman about that. See if he has any objection. I'm assuming that you're requesting dismissal.
I am, Your Honor. I'm going to 4.
Mr. Bowman, 4. Mr. Bowman, join 4 for Green Thomas, Mr. Berry. There you go. Mr. Vaughn, we're waiting on Mr. Dupree. He's your lawyer. She did that print sheet. Okay, I don't. Cameron and Lorenz. Officer Smith, did Officer Smith appear? Good morning, Officer Adali.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, good morning to you. I have a half-hour grace period for officers. I don't know exactly what time you got in that room, but is there you're on who, Grant?
Yeah, Grant, yes, sir.
Is there a William Dwayne Grant here? William Dwayne Grant? All right, since he's not here, then we're gonna go ahead and for the future reference, I do have a half-hour grace period.
Yes, sir.
If not 30, then we won't consider it. Okay, City of Detroit versus Jalen Gist, case number SP 1371989, counts 1, 2, and 3. Mr. Johnson, appearance for the records, please.
Peace Court, Basil Johnson II, 72130 on behalf of Mr. Gibbs. President Ozone.
Mr. Gibbs, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning to you, Your Honor. Jalen Gist.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Good morning to you. The offer is in the file. Mr. Johnson stands at careless. Well, it wouldn't be careless, obviously, because it's you can't reduce a reckless to a civil and misdemeanor to a civil. So drag racing, if they've had exceptional circumstances where they've allowed due care and caution, but drag racing 4-point offense, and it says no offer on the cycle endorsement. So plea to 2, dismiss 1. We have a new city attorney in Mr. Bowman. He has an absolute right to a trial. The drag racing over 4 points. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room. And what do you want to do, Mr. Johnson?
Can I speak to Mr. Bowman in the breakout room?
I'm gonna give you privileges to pull your client. You'll be in breakout room 6. Okay, breakout room 6 when you get done speaking with Mr. Bowman. So
Excuse me, Your Honor, what time is Mr. Johnson listed for?
Gist is listed for 8:35. Gist, Mr. Johnson.
All right, thank you.
I'll put you in breakout room 4 to speak to Mr. Bowman. All right, join breakout room 4, please. Mr. Gist, you go in breakout room 6 and wait on Mr. Johnson.
Your Honor, could I have Miss Green Thomas back in the breakout room, please?
Go back in the breakout room, Ms. Green Thomas, please. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Frederick Gilmore. Mr. Gilmore, it's back. Ms. Harris, I've given you an opportunity to speak with your client. What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he does have the license. There's a recommendation to dismiss.
Okay, valid. All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gilmore, your case is going to be dismissed. Best of luck to you. Have a good day. All right, we're still waiting on that interpreter, Mr. Zamora.
It's okay.
Let's call the city of Detroit. What about late lead? Was it? Cameron Lee, are you there? Cameron Lee, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you. Are you, give me your full name, please.
Cameron Vidal, Tonchi Lee.
Vidal?
Yes, sir.
Say that again for me.
Cameron Vidal, Tonchi Lee.
Okay, Tonchi Vidal here.
Oh yeah, they could probably get back.
Let's see here. Pardon me? I see it. I'm gonna see what's going on. It's on, okay, the review is for today for one of the cases. That's his carrying concealed. You're supposed to be in courtroom Kevin Robbins today. You don't come back here until the 20th.
Okay.
So you need to head over to Kevin Robbins. That's 337, correct? Oh no, you said 44. Yeah, that's 44. You have the Zoom information. You know how to get there, right?
I'm gonna write the number down now.
I think it's 360-440-3440.
360. What was that?
Come back here on the 20th, okay?
Okay, appreciate you. Can I get that number one more time, please?
360-440-0440. And if you need to let them know, we'll let them know that you were here all morning.
Okay, I'd appreciate that. Thank you.
Best of luck to you, sir. And don't forget the 20th with us.
I'll be back.
Very well. City of Detroit versus Lorenzetta Bronte Langford. Case number SP 1592411, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. This is Ms. Harris.
Erica Harris on behalf of Ms. Langford. Please state your name for the record.
Lorinda Ronte Langford.
Is Lorinda?
Yes.
So there's no Z in your name, or is this not pronounced?
Yeah, the Z is silent, Your Honor.
Very well. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Langford, the offer as it stands right now is pleading to failure to display, $240 fine, and dismissing the other matters. You have an absolute right to a trial that will abstract, but it won't carry any points. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris and have a conversation with her, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, please.
May I see Mr. Bowman in 4?
You may. Okay, on that telephone at 313-974-1315. What is your name, please? Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. This is Carl Gardner, and I just want to apologize to you, Your Honor, and the court.
And apologize.
My hearing was yesterday. I called yesterday, all yesterday, and I didn't get a chance to talk with you, sir.
Oh, I knew it was something. People don't just come in here and apologize for nothing. He's trying to get some pay.
Yes, sir.
He's trying to get some
No,
pay.
sir.
Oh, you're not?
No, sir. I'm just here to own up to my responsibility, sir.
You don't want any favor? You don't want me to You want me to put this
Yes, sir.
warrant
Yes, sir. No, sir. Please don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay, so you calling for some favor, right?
No, sir.
What? I don't get it.
No warrant.
What is your Charles Gardner?
Carl Gardner, sir. KarlGardner.
All right. He's not calling for any favor, but he doesn't want that warrant out for his arrest. And he missed
No,
the state.
sir.
You're at the end of the line, Mr. Carl Gardner.
Yes, sir.
Moral. Yeah, I printed it out. You gave it to him? Okay.
Yeah, I gave it.
Very good. Very good. All right, let's go ahead on, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green Thomas. Ms. Green Thomas, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, all these matters are to be dismissed.
Very well. Ms. Green Thomas, case dismissed. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
Antonio Gregory. Is that Antonio DiCarlo Gregory?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus, wait a minute, what's your date of birth?
April 4th.
You gotta get a better connection, it seems like that's the wrong one. This is the right one. City of Detroit versus Antonio DiCarlo Gregory. This is the one. Case number SP 15950-191. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gregory.
Antonio DiCarlo Gregory II.
All right, good morning to you, and they call us SP 15950-211. Mr. Berry, you already put your appearance on the record. The offer, Mr. Gregory, as it's written right now, is limited access 1 to 5. That's a student unaccompanied. Do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Yes, I do.
I mean, is that a full license?
Yes.
All right, and that's run his license, please. All right. Let's see if the license. How's your driving record? Mr. Gregory?
Yes.
How's your driving record?
Good to my knowledge.
What?
Good to your knowledge?
Yes.
All right. Yeah. He's not as surgical as I am. All right, let's pass it. Let's see what the driving record looks like. I don't know if Mr. Bowman will offer you, if you have a good record of blocking traffic. I don't know. Let's pass the map. Let's go back on the record with Langford. Langford, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting a trial date.
Okay. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Langford?
Yes,
Unmute yourself. Very well. 9 a.m., 11/22/2024 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. Same to you, Your Honor.
Cool. Mr. Bowman, on this Gregory case, he's got a spotless record. Any consideration on the blocking traffic? Mr. Bowman?
Yes, based on the fact that he has a spotless record, the people will follow the court's recommendation as to a revised, reduced offer.
He's got a valid license. I'm back on the record with Gregory, Antonio Gregory, Mr. Gregory, one-time deal, the blocking traffic for the speeding ticket, based on the fact that you have a spotless record, it is speeding on 94, which is, you know, what the mile per hour they allege is not all that. I think every car almost out there is going that fast, but just one-time deal. So you want to take this this blocking traffic, 0 points, no abstraction, $175. Pardon me? You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea. Client's behalf, counsel?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause of the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic 175. When can you pay it, Mr. Gregory? You have to take those earpieces out. They never really work that well on this Zoom.
Next week, Tuesday.
Next week, Tuesday? All right, I want to give you, I'll give you until next week, Tuesday. That would be the 17th. I'll give you until the 20th, all right? 9/20/2024. Pay it at any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that div that app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Gregory. If there's nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Christina? Christina?
Hello, yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. What is your full name?
Wahila Christina Gomez Hearn.
Gomez Hearn?
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Wahila Christina Gomez Hearn, case number SB 157191-2. counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Over that Sperry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gomez Hearn.
Why he
All right, I had a little extra background noise. I got to cut it out. Go ahead, Mr. Berry, put your appearance. Oh, you already did. She spoke her name on the record. Day is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. My client will stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. The offer, as it stands right now, is pleading to as charged in the improper plea 240, absolute right to a trial, dismiss upon completion, no abstraction, no points. Mrs. Gomez Hearn, do you have a valid registration?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you show the court that?
Yes.
You have to turn that background off, please.
How do I do that?
Go to the videos on your thing down there, and it's going to have somewhere it says something about some background. Let's pass the matter until Ms. Gomez Hearn figures that out. All right, is Lacey here?
Yes.
Antoine Lacey, you got it off, Ms. Gomez? Let's see what you have.
Yeah, I'm here.
Let's go back on the record with Gomez Hearn. All right, I'm going to dismiss or provide valid documentation. All right.
Thank you.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, too.
Lacey.
Yeah, I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Antoine Lacey, case number U65619 523 15 SP 153594111 SP 155-87421. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Yeah, Lacey.
Purposes of show cause, counselor.
Purpose of arraignment, my client stands mute.
They're not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. The offer, as it stands right now for Mr. Lacey, as charged in a narcotics violation, failure to display, improper plate. Is this a leading to everything in some sort of form or fashion? Antoine Lacey, is that your intent, Mr. Bowman?
Your Honor, we can dismiss the improper plate charge.
And again, typically the amended for no insurance is an improper plate. So you want to amend that as per the city usually does, or is it your intent to ask them to plead to a failure to display?
No, we'll give him a dismissal on that.
So on both the no insurance charges, plead to one narcotic drug violation?
Yes.
All right, one narcotic drug violation, sir. Let's see what this is. Okay, so are you, do you need some drug treatment, Mr. Lacy?
No, sir.
All right, drug violation is gonna be a three-month delay. You're gonna be tested. You have an absolute right to a trial. It appears, Ms. Harris, that with this went along with a CCW charge, so I don't know. You have an absolute right to a trial, dismissing the other two cases, put you in a breakout room with Mr. Lacy, have a conversation with him, all right? Join the room, please. Grant, Shanae Grant.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Okay. City of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Shanae Grant. Case numbers B1248923, B1249923. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Grant.
Shanae Jelaine Grant.
Grant, for purposes of arraignment, my client, give the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. We're gonna give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Grant, is this a good phone number to reach you at that you called in on?
Yes.
All right. The offer as it stands right now for Ms. Grant is pleading as charged, 3-month delay to the timely manner. I do have the tickets in the file. This appears to be something to do with some code violations on some sort of property. It is a home. So dismissing one, pleading to the timely manner, 3-month delayed sentence, absolute right to a trial, put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, okay?
Okay.
He's in there, Mr. Berry.
Okay.
Mr. Johnson, are we ready on GIS? He's not ready yet. Okay.
Side effects, suicidal thoughts, infections, and liver problems, inflammatory bowel disease, or something down for vaccine points. Start to get yourself off. Experience to that result. To those who feast on grace.
Ms. Guadalupe, do you have a valid driver's license?
No, I'm trying to see if on the one I got right now it's valid.
Well, wait a minute. Which kind? What do you have right now?
So international.
Okay, let's see what you have. Hold it up, please.
This is it.
Right. Push it a little closer. There we go. Right there. Right there. What country? Back it up a little bit. Okay, yes, I see right in my face.
Okay.
That should be valid.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
What about insurance, ma'am? Do you have insurance?
No, but I'm planning on getting it today. I haven't drove or anything right now, so I'm waiting for that.
That's what they all say, Miss Mom.
No, I'm pretty sure I'm getting it. Sorry.
No, about not driving at all.
Oh, no.
Let's go back on the record. Mr. Lacy, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel.
Okay.
Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is respectfully requesting a trial date, and we're asking that discovery be made available.
All right, Mr. Bowman, that's what you want to do, Mr. Lacy?
Yes, sir.
All right, a trial date, Mr. Bowman, the request for discovery has been made for Mr. Lacy. I'm giving you a trial date on November the 22nd, 2024 at 9 a.m.
And what time was Mr. Lacy's appearance for today?
8:45.
8:45?
Yes.
Right.
Okay, could you said November 22nd?
Yeah, November 22nd at 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Okay.
And if there's nothing further, Mr. Lacy, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You as well.
All right, thank you. City of Detroit versus Guadalupe. Guadalupe, case number S1572608, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Guadalupe Maria.
For purpose of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Your client showed a valid international license, and for Mr. Bowman edification, that international license is recognized by the state. We have some paperwork here that gives us a little direction on that. As long as it's from a treaty country and it's in English, translation is in English. Mexico is a treaty country. She showed a valid, what the court will take as a valid driver's license. Ms. Harris, your client asked for some time to get some insurance. So I'm going to give her a pretrial date of October the 28th, 2024 at 8:30. Best luck to you, Ms. Guadalupe, and I'll see you back on October the 28th, 2024 at 8:30. All right.
Okay, thank you very much.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, let's go with let me get Jasmine Gaines. Oh, did she ever show up? Not yet. She asked for, she had someone call in and said that she was at work and could not get off. We'll wait for her to see if she gets a break so we can take care of this matter. I don't know. Ms. Cox, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I have Mr. Samora here. He needs to get to the courtroom. Let's see, 337, I think. Let me see.
Zamora, dicen que este no es el juzgado donde le corresponde. El juez está viendo a ver a dónde le toca ir.
He needs to get to courtroom 337. Can you follow him there and give him an opportunity and and interpret for him, please?
Dice él que debe desconectarse de este cuarto e ir a, le puedo dar el número que tiene que usar para conectarse con el otro juez, es 360-337-0000. ¿Entiende, señor Zamora?
Sí.
Okay, he says he understood, Your
¿Me
Honor.
lo puede repetir otra vez?
He asked me to repeat the number. 360
360
337
33
7
7
0000.
000.
And what
30,
judge is that, Your Honor?
Well, he's in there, Judge Baltimore's in there. Judge Baltimore's in there.
El juez se llama Baltimore. Es el apellido del juez que está ahí.
Baltimore.
Baltimore es el nombre del juez, sí.
Ok, ¿me lo puede repetir los números de vuelta? 36 0
360 360 337 0000.
Ok, está bien.
Okay. Y yo también voy para allá.
Ok.
Okay, and I will go there, Your Honor. I will go there.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
All right, whoever is up, Mr. Smith Spears, this is the city of Detroit versus Stephen Edward Gardner. Case number SP 1571581, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Garden, please state your name for the record.
Stephen Edward Garden.
For purpose of arraignment, my client stands mute.
All right, today is the date and time set for show trial, show cause, enter not guilty on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. The offer as it stands right now is improper place, amended count, $240 fine. Dismiss the other matter now. He has an absolute right to a trial. Let me put you in a breakout room with him and let us know what he wants to do when he gets out, all right? Join the room, please. This is, let's pass that matter. Did you ever do long speaks? You didn't have the file?
Ready as to Ms. Grant, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, let's go back on the record. Ms. Grant. Ms. Grant, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial and the appointment of counsel.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Grant?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to give you a pretrial date first, once with the expectation that you want a trial. October the 28th is going to be your next day back at 8:30. What that date is set for is set for you. If that attorney contacts you, make sure that attorney has contacted you by then. Other than that, you need to answer the calls that you don't recognize. I know there's a lot of spam calls out there, but you got to answer the calls. So hopefully one of those calls will be that lawyer. And come back on October 28th and we'll give you a trial date on that date, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Tatiana Crosby, case number SP 1451161. We might as well call SP 1615017. Let me make sure to see who's the judge over there, because it appears that she has 2 different courtrooms, and I don't want to step on anyone's toes. I'm sure Judge Kennedy does not mind. Let's also call SP 1584391, count 2, SP 16116, strike that, SP 1615017, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Crosby.
Tatiana J. Destiny Crosby.
All right, let's see your face, ma'am. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Either one or the other, ma'am, you have it your way. Couple rules just showing up. I don't know why.
I also have my license now too. I don't know what exactly this court was for because I had court yesterday too. So
I see. Did you go to court yesterday?
yes, I went to court yesterday for a back brake light being out.
Not in Detroit, did you?
Yes, it's for Detroit. I was on Wyoming and Hubble area.
Maybe they didn't put it in.
Oh yes, I was on here yesterday.
Well, maybe you need to go back to that. You went to Judge Kennedy?
Yes. Hold on. But I have another court date. They 1 second, I put it in my phone. They set it up for October 1st at 9 a.m. with Judge Christina Kennedy.
Well, maybe she needs to go back to Judge Kennedy because she just has an in the park after dark. And I don't know why to me. I will send you to Judge Kennedy if you want her to handle all those. You don't have to keep bouncing around.
Okay.
You want to do that?
Yes.
And you said the next court date is October 1st?
Yes, but I'm trying to get everything taken care of because this is stopping me from working at the job that I just got hired at.
Well, what is stopping you? I think the warrants are probably stopping you. Let's call Judge Kennedy's court. Let's pass it because they haven't entered into anything in their system yet. If everything is saying what you say it's saying. Sound like you're on top of things, but they call over there. I don't see anything else but maybe the fact that you have warrant out for your arrest. That's and today we're going to recall all that stuff, so you don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
Let's get you to Judge. We'll call Judge Kennedy and see what's going on, and we'll try to sort it out.
Okay.
All right. Let's pass the matter.
Yeah, because I'm trying to get everything taken care of so I can start work.
All right, we want you to do that for sure.
Your Honor, if I may.
You may.
This is a case that was on the 8:30 docket.
Yeah.
Reed Gorish, Gorish, ticket number SP 15125701. I've been advised by the officer that this case should be dismissed.
Yeah, I don't know where Gorish is, Reed Gorish. So if you want to dismiss it without him being here, I won't have any necessary objection if it's going to be dismissed anyway. But that's Robert Giles has a trial date set. So he's here. His matters are set for trial. Let me call that into the record and let you, Mr. Berry, sort this stuff out for Mr. Giles, okay?
Yes, sir.
You there, Mr. Giles? Can we do this? Can we call over to Judge Kennedy's court?
Yes, I'm here.
The ones I just have crossed out are saying that she had a pre-trial or arraignment on the bench warrant yesterday. She says she has an October 1st pretrial. Ours is up here. We can send that over to her as well. If she'll take that. And unless Mr. Bowman's willing to, whatever the offer will be, I think in the park after dark, it's kind of like, hey, all right, let's answer some of these questions right quick. Mr. On the iPhone, you were here. What's going on?
I went in the other courtroom with the numbers you gave me. They said it was invalid.
They said what?
They said the numbers was invalid. I was trying to see if I could be redirected or make sure the numbers was correct.
Let's see. First, let's get that. What's your name again?
Cameron Lee.
Lee. And you're saying the numbers weren't valid, Lee?
Yes, I put them in to go in the courtroom, and it said that it said it wouldn't work. It wouldn't let me in.
Okay. All right. Let's first call over there to you get done. That's Ronald Giles. But you're in front of Kevin Robbins, right?
Is that Robert Giles?
No. It's I said Ronald Giles because that's the Judge Giles I'm talking about.
Oh yeah, I don't have no relation. I don't believe.
Okay. Let's do this first. Let's take care of Ms. Crosby first. He's on the call. Slow down a little bit because we've been moving pretty good. So let's just get these administrative things out of the way. Yes. Another thing on Mr. Bowman, I had a counselor call me for Joseph Laffian. He is got a case today. They're in a trial with in Macomb. He asked for an adjournment, but this is a city ticket and the officer did not show. Is there an Officer J. Smith, 4005? I haven't seen that officer. Is there any objection to dismissing this ticket?
No, Your Honor, if the officer is not present and has not checked in.
Yeah, the officer is not present, has not checked in. They were calling for an adjournment. Today is the date and time set for trial.
And Your Honor, can we have an off the record conference regarding the Reed Gorish matter?
Yeah, I don't have any objection dismissing that if you want to do that.
All right, thank you.
All right, Miss Crosby.
Yes.
Go over to Judge Kennedy's courtroom right now.
Okay.
All right, do you have her Zoom ID?
1 second. It is 360-435-0000.
Shannon.
That's it? Yeah, that's it. You got it. They're waiting on you now.
Thank you.
They're gonna take that in the park after dark case as well, too.
Okay, thank you so much.
Hey, just to let you know, parks close at 10 p.m.
I know it's about probably.
Have a good day, man. Have a good day.
Isn't that a lyric to a song?
I'm not gonna lie. I was at the park.
Don't say anything.
Don't say anything.
Everybody always wants to be honest to God, you know. I'm not gonna lie. That's what my father said. They want to be honest to God.
Right, you gotta be like that.
This is courtroom procedure here. Go over there and maintain your right to be quiet.
Especially good for the soul, Your Honor, but it's bad for the defense.
I know, it's good for it being, I guess they gotta get it out of their soul, right? You wanna get yours off your soul, Mr. Vaughn, Antonio? Let's go now, let's do, Mr.
Gandhi.
No. No, you're last. Just for that.
Dang.
No, not even that, because you came in last. Everybody come in last. They want their name jumped up first. Let's do this. Good morning, Mr. Gandhi.
Good morning.
Let's call over there to Robbins for Mr. Lee, Cameron Lee. I'll print it out again. He's got this case. And we need to get the proper, he indicated that they didn't allow him in this room, or he didn't have, well, I don't know. He just couldn't get in. He needs to get over there ASAP.
Let me see if I can make sure.
Go ahead. But look at the thing, he is Robbins, so let's make sure we give him the right information. All right. Now, Mr. Zamora. He's back. Let me call Giles, get him going, and then Mr. Berry, you get going on Mr. Giles. City of Detroit versus. Yeah, wait a minute. We need to wait on a court reporter anyway. So let's pass that. Mr. Johnson, are you ready on GIS?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Reed, what do you want to do with Vaughn?
Judge, there was an offer tendered at the last hearing, and my client is prepared to accept it.
What was the offer?
It was the standard plea for the cases like these, Your Honor. Sorry, my system's not loading it. There it is. 12-month delayed sentence, 40 hours community service, gun safety course.
Or $500 in fines.
You're saying or 500 in fines, Judge? You're saying it would be 500 in fines.
Or 500 in fines. And what about the open alcohol and motor vehicle drivers?
You know, Judge, I was not appointed on that case, and I don't think I knew it existed until this moment.
Well, that went along with this one.
They were issued simultaneously?
Yeah, if I believe this to be the case, I don't know if my memory recollects that well. Something about, is this the one where they have gun and a gun jam? Because I don't have the actual ticket in front of me. And
you know what? It is, Judge. Sorry, Judge, I didn't mean to cut you off, but yeah, it is here. I had just forgotten about it. I don't think the offer addresses it. I'll have to talk to city attorney.
I put you in a breakout room with Mr. Bowman. I don't have the actual file, but if I guess my memory is still a little good. Mr. Bowman, join the breakout room. Speak to Mr. Dupree. We ready? All right. City of Detroit versus Ronald Toriano Giles. Case number SP 1521701. Counts 1 and counts 2. And count 3. SP 1522474. Count 1. Two. and 3. SP 155-7449, 1, count 1, 2, and 3. SP 155-7450, count 1. SP 155-7452, count 1, 2, and 3. And SP 155-7469, 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Giles.
Robert Soriano Giles.
Day, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. I do have Officer Joel Ochoa here. I do not see Officer Wybrowski.
Sir, Officer Wybrowski here. One of my partners used my phone and it's logged in as Officer Green. My apologies.
I see that, Officer Green. And Officer Green was here before Wybrowski was here before, right before Officer Ochoa, and Giles came in right before they did. So everybody's here. Today is the date and time set for a trial. We'll get you an offer, Mr. Giles, and you'll be able to speak with the lawyer, okay? All right. Officer, can you put your appearance on the record, Mr. Officer Wybrowski? That's badge number, name, and department.
Badge number 5071, Officer Wybrowski.
Detroit Police.
Yeah, correct.
All right, let's read him his offer into the record. Offer as it stands right now is pleading to, this might be a long one here, failure to display for the expired license, $240 fine, does abstract the Secretary of State, however, it doesn't carry any point. For the improper plate, that is a defective equipment, that's a misdemeanor, so no reducing a misdemeanor to a civil infraction. For the other, no insurance, that'll be, we'll say improper plate for that, $240 fine, absolute right to a trial, doesn't abstract the Secretary of State, therefore no points, I'll dismiss upon payment. Another improper plate, $240 fine, same thing as before. An expired license allowing $240 fine, same as the improper plate, does not abstract, therefore doesn't carry any points, and I'll dismiss upon payment. For the disregard of traffic control device, limited access 1 to 5, it does abstract, however, it doesn't carry any points at $125. The registration can't be up to a civil a misdemeanor. The driving, defective mirror is defective equipment, and they have that twice, $120 a piece, and dismissing the rest. Absolute right to a trial, sir. If you plead to this, you will likely, if you don't have a valid driver's license now, you will likely not be able to get a license for the next 2 years at least. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Have a conversation with him. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, okay?
No problem.
Your Honor, with regard to the no registration ticket that's ending in 4492.
All of those are going to be dismissed that are miswritten.
All right.
All right. All right. Pass the matter. Join the breakout room. Speak with the client. All right. Officer Ochoa, let's go back on the record with Giles. Let's put Officer Ochoa on the record appearance, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please?
Officer Ochoa, badge 2749.
Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
All right, very well. All right, we'll pass the matter. We'll wait till Mr. Gaines gets finished speaking with his lawyer. Let's go back on the record. Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Gist. Mr. Gist, I've given you an opportunity. Okay, so I'm sorry about that, Mr. Let's stop. Mr. Lee, the actual Zoom ID is 360-360-0440. Did you call over there and let him know he's coming? Thanks so much. 360-360-0440.
4440. Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
And let them know that you were over here. They want you to say that so they can identify you, all right?
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
Best of luck to you, man. You come back on the 20th.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I will see you then.
Yeah, all right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gist. Mr. Gist, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Sorry. Yes, Your Honor. I spoke also with Mr. Bowman. Mr. Bowman, per the recommendation, Mr. Gist would like to accept that, Your Honor. It was a limited access, 90-day delayed on cycle endorsement, and dismissed the no registration. And that's because.
All right, we're getting into again. The limited, you only have one civil infraction that's a non-abstractable offense of unregistered untitled. The other two, no, that's no. All of them are, so none of them can be reduced to a civil infraction. Is it the intention of the city to give them points or not? Because the cycle endorsement is going to be.
Excuse me, Your Honor, are we talking about Mr. Gist?
Mr. Gist.
Okay. And Mr. Johnson and I had talked, and we had some different offers. The reckless driving.
Let's talk about the cycle endorsement and just give you the understanding of what a cycle endorsement fine would be. 3020 on the code book is stroke without cycle endorsement. That is a 2-point offense misdemeanor. So if you take a delayed sentence, even if you take the delayed sentence, that is not going to negate the 2 points. The 2 points will remain.
We will
can't reduce misdemeanor to a civil infraction. So what is the intention of the city?
The intention is to reduce points as much as possible based upon fundamental fairness.
Do you want to have points at all? Because if we can give them something that reduces the points to 0 points, or we can reduce because the reckless driving is a 6-point offense as it's charged, and 90-day mandatory suspension. No early, no hardship review.
Your Honor, can I speak with Mr. Johnson in the breakout room, please?
I'm surgical, Mr. Johnson.
I appreciate it. I love a good person, Your Honor.
All right. Go back in the breakout room and speak to Mr. Bowman, breakout room 4. We'll pass the map. Mr. Dupree, Vaughn, what is Vaughn gonna do?
Judge, the offer would be for the what we discussed before, and the open alcohol would be dismissed per plea.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Antonio James Vaughn. Mr. Vaughn, you understand that? It'll be $500 fine. I think he came through community court, didn't he? That's why he got to meet with the V. Let's call the city of Detroit, because we were the city of Detroit versus Antonio James Vaughn, case number SP 1566969, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. May it please the court, Matthew Dupree, P. 0132 for the defendant. Mr. Vaughn, would you unmute your device and state your name, please?
Yes, this is Antonio Vaughn.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Vaughn. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. The offer, as it stands right now, I don't know why the other case is not on the docket today, but he was scheduled for 8:25. It was, one is 8:25 and one is 8:25. Very good. All right. So one is, I don't see it on 8. Okay, I do see it. Very good. All right. So the offer, pleading the one, dismissing the other, either 40 hours of community service or a $500 fine. Gun safety course, 12 hours of community service. And if it is true what the allegations suggest that you were trying to unlodge this firearm from being jammed and it went off, you absolutely need a gun safety course. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, or nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and $400 or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Dupree went over your other advisor rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
Yes, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Could you repeat that one?
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right. And I'll be honest with you, I don't know if I totally believe about the jamming portion of that story, but I wasn't there. Let's draw your attention back to June 12, 2024, around 2:13 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gleason and Beatrice Street. Were you out in that area around that date and time?
Yes.
Did you have a firearm in your possession?
Yes.
All right. Now tell me the truth. Did the gun jam, like, because we're not talking to the police right now, and all of it is out there in the open. You're taking a deal and accepting responsibility for it. Did the gun jam, Mr. Vaughn, or did you shoot this gun in the air?
No, Your Honor. It had jammed, and somebody tried to pass it to the front.
Whose gun is it?
It's mine.
And somebody tried, you're in a car with this gun?
No, it was jammed in the back, and I told them to pull it to the front, like give me my weapon, because it was in the back, and I had just had picked my cousins and them up.
You know why I don't believe you? Mr. Gandy, I don't need you. Mr. Gandy, I don't need you. You better mute yourself, because I don't need you to be laughing, and there's nothing funny.
Oh no, I'm not even. I'm out with my dog. Sorry, I'm sorry.
Now he's lying. He's laughing at his dog.
I'm outside, so I'm sorry. I'm gonna mute the phone.
You know why I don't believe you? Mr. Vaughn?
Yes, Your Honor.
So first thing I asked him was, did he shoot this gun in the air, or did he did the gun actually jam? He says no, the gun actually jammed. I said he said he passed it from somebody passed. Wait a minute. He said somebody passed it from the back to the front. I said, well, were you sitting in a car? He says no. And the charge is open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. And then while the whole time he's telling this story, he is, I don't know if you have a speech impediment, but he is stuttering over his words and everything.
No, I do.
I want to know the truth.
It was, but I did fire it.
You intentionally fired it in the air, didn't you?
Yes, but it was in the, but I had somebody said that it was jammed in the back, and yes, Your Honor.
And you intentionally fired it in the air.
Oh yes, Your Honor.
And you did that to check to see if it was actually jammed?
It was one misfed in the back of it.
Why did
it was
you
like
fire
half in, half out.
Why did you fire it?
I'm gonna be honest with you, Your Honor. I really don't know. It was so much. It was just too much on my mind that day, Your Honor. I really don't know. It was dumb of me. It was like.
So what was going on?
Just a lot. I just had picked my cousins up and stuff, and it was like one of my cousins had just got shot, so I was at my auntie house and stuff at first.
I'm not able to do it right now.
We was on our way back.
You drinking, you got alcohol involved, and you got a pistol involved. Right?
Yes, sir.
That's what the truth is.
Too much.
That's again, we have these guns.
Too much.
And you have a right to have the gun, but if you're gonna have the gun, you gotta be responsible with it. First of all, is no alcohol with the pistol. They could have wrote you probably for more than what they wrote you for.
I know, Your Honor.
And secondly, you firing these guns in the air at 2:30 at any time during the day. You don't want anybody firing outside of your house, do you?
No, sir.
You have kids?
Yes, sir.
Don't you worry. How old are your kids?
1.
Your kid, you probably doesn't go outside by itself, but I'm telling you, right now, you sign up for a lifetime of worry when you have kids. And when you're out here firing these guns, just imagine when your child is outside at 4 or 5 or 6 or 10 or 20 years old. When you hear gunshots, that's going to be the first thing you think about.
You're right, Your Honor.
So you're not showing your neighbors or anybody else any respect and thinking of anybody but yourself when you're doing that kind of stuff.
I know, Your Honor. It was really, I only did this was my one and only time, Your Honor.
All right. Well, listen, I hope it's not going to be another one, because if it is,
it's not.
Since the consequences are going to be more severe if you come in front of me. But
no, I'm okay, Your Honor. I'm all right.
I'm gonna give you a chance to redeem yourself. What do you want? The $500 or the 40 hours community service?
I can do can I cut it in half?
No, we're not making a deal. That's your only option.
I could do the 5, but depending on the time it got to be
1 month, 30 days. Listen, I'm looking at it like this too. If you're gonna buy a firearm, you can pay the money.
I know.
My uncle always told me, My uncle always told me you got to pay the cost to be the boss.
I know.
And I know when you got that gun in your hand, you the boss.
I'll take the 500, Your Honor.
All right, he got the money with his polo, jogging suit on, fresh braids, everything. He got the money. 500 due in a month, review. And the gun safety course is due in a month. I'm not, there's an eBay gun safety course. Mr. Dupree can give you somewhere. 12-month delayed on the sentence. I'm gonna find him guilty as charged. I believe him now. I told you it was more to that story. And I'm glad you came clean. What's the 12 months? September 10th, 25. September 10th is gonna be the review for the delayed sentence. And then the money is gonna be due October 10th. The money and the class is gonna be October 10th. I'm not giving any breaks that much on these guns, sir. People getting killed every day, kids getting shot, all of that stuff. All right. If it's nothing further, I appreciate.
Judge,
Yes.
I actually do not have the information for any of the gun safety courses. Would it be possible for the court to turn to contact probation for that?
I'm sure you can find something online. eBay is what the city always refers to, EBAY, and those gun safety courses and those other courses. All right.
Understood, Judge. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Vaughn, I hope you take those words seriously, because you know, when you got a 1-year-old now, and I'm guaranteeing you that's going to be the main source of any of your worry. I mean, whether it has to do with finances or anything, taking care of that 1-year-old, that's going to be a constant worry for the rest of your life. And making sure that 1-year-old is safe is going to be the top priority.
I already know, Your Honor. That's what I'm on now. I don't even want to be out no more.
Well, now there you go. You go to the extreme about being out.
I don't.
You can go out. Just be responsible. And what does the golden rule do on the others as you would want others to do on to you?
Facts.
All right.
All right.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day. I'll see you back next month for a review. Pay the fine. Do the gun safety course, and then come back next year, and hopefully you don't get in any more trouble like this, and we'll dismiss the case, okay?
Thanks, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you. All right, Mr. Dupree, have a very good day. And
you too, Judge.
See you next. All right.
I'll see you next time. Judge, just to be clear, for the review, I assume you just want House counsel to handle that, right? I don't need to come back for that?
Yeah, you're done. Your representation is done.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. Gist. All right. That's the next up. Mr. Gist, what are we doing? Has this been worked out, Mr. Johnson?
No, Judge, I don't have a link to go into a breakout room with Mr. Bowman.
Oh.
It looks like he does, but I don't.
All right, join the room.
Thank you.
Mr. Zamora, they wouldn't let you in?
No.
Call over there and let them know Mr. Zamora, 337. All right, we'll get them to let you in. He's been here all morning. This Cox should be there. Gatz, Robin, Gatz. Where's Robin Gatz? Miss Harris, are you ready on anyone?
I am, Mr. Garden, Stephen Garden. It's a
Yes.
dismissal.
Back on the record with Stephen Garden. Let me get off my lecturer and soapbox. What's gonna happen with this case? There you go, you're shaking your head, yeah.
It's a dismissal, Your Honor.
All right, I'll remember that. All right, case dismissed, what is it, providing valid documentation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Provided valid doc. All right. But I know Mr. Garden doesn't want to hear that gunshot over there on Algonac either. Do you?
Nope.
Nope. All right, have a good day, Mr. Garden. Best of luck to you. Case dismissed. All right, let's call.
So that mean I ain't got to worry about paying no tickets now?
No, I don't know. You got tickets in other jurisdictions. You don't have to worry about paying these.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day, sir.
All right.
Mr. Zamora. He's gone now. He made it then. See, he obviously didn't get it right. All right, let's call them Gatson. Where's Robin Gatson? She left. All right, let's go down to Roderick Owens. He left. I ran everybody out of here. Huh? Zamora's back. Zamora, you gotta go. 360.
360.
Trace says 0.
Okay.
Trace siete.
Okay.
0000.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Gadsden is gone. He's gone. He doesn't care. All right. Gadsden, Roger Owens is gone. Attorney Johnson, I called. Gardner, Carl.
We're ready.
You ready? Let's call Carl Gardner right quick.
Is this Carl? Is this Terrence Lavelle Gardner?
Oh, help him out. He's got to go to on Zamora. Help him out. Go into Zoom IZ 360-337-0000. You got it, young man? For Zamora?
Yes.
Who's the young man helping you?
Oh, me.
What's your name, sir?
Brandon.
Brandon, take him to 360-337-0000. That is Judge. That's the Zoom ID.
All right.
You got it?
No, I don't got it.
All right. Let me see. You got to log out and you got to dial that Zoom ID again.
Oh, yeah. Oh, all right.
So 360-337-0000. You want to write it down?
It's already wrote down. I got it down.
Okay. So log out and zoom into that courtroom. They're waiting on him. And they have an interpreter there too.
All right.
All right. Have a good one. All right. Let's call the City of Detroit versus Carl Gardner. He's not on the docket because he missed his court date. He's scheduled for the show today. Scheduled for the show. What we call it? City of Detroit. That's Robin Gass. Let's just see the. Let's just see the. Where's Carl Gardner? Ask, unmute yourself. Press *6, please. Carl Gardner, press *6, please. All right, let's move on from him. Let's go down to the City of Detroit versus
Yes.
Carl. Oh God. City of Detroit versus Carl City of
Yes,
Detroit
sir.
versus. Don't say anymore, Mr. Gardner. I hear you. City of Detroit versus Carl Anthony Gardner, case number SP 1615969, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 161597001. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gardner. What's your name?
Carl Anthony Gardner.
All right, Mr. Gardner, good morning to you. Today is the date and time. Let's call it set for a show cause. He was supposed to be here yesterday, Ms. Harris. Purposes of show cause.
For purpose of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty in your client's behalf will give your client a $0 bond. I'm going to yesterday's offers. Gardner. The offer was. Supposed to be here?
1:30 arraignment.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, arraignment. So we're entering not guilty on his behalf. We don't have a file. We'll have you back on a pretrial on October the 28th, 2024 at 8:30. Okay, Mr. Gardner?
Yes, sir.
Don't miss it this time, okay?
Yes, sir. I called yesterday and you guys didn't kept hanging up on me saying call back later, and I called back later yesterday, all day yesterday.
All right, you got it out?
Yes, sir. I'll call back at 8:30.
8:30 on October the 28th, 2024, okay?
Yes, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Best of luck to you. Put that in the system.
Thank you.
All right, be good. All right. I don't know where Robin Gatson or Roger Owens is. I have Osborne. Is Osborne here? Osborne was here. What about Jackson? Osborne and Jackson, they both left. What about, there's Terrell's iPhone. That's Gandy, Aaron Terrell Gandy. All right, Ms. Harris, you get this one. He's got a long list of stuff. Mr. Gandy, you can press, you can unmute yourself now. You can laugh now, Mr. Gandy. Go ahead.
I'm not happy, sir. I'm ready.
This is the City of Detroit versus Aaron Terrell Gandy. Case number SP 1084460, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1084461, SP 1, strike that, SP 1088363, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11853941, SP 1263477, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1353555, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 9578201, SP 9645511, SP 9677784, counts 1, 2, and 3. U 45615418, U 45641418. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Gandy. Please state your name for the record.
Aaron Gandy.
Yeah, I guess he's not laughing now. He got into the back seat, into the passenger seat too.
No, I'm just in the, I'm in the outside the car in the parking in the passenger seat.
Yeah, I know. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. The offer. Well, I'm gonna let you go over that with Mr. Gandy. Keep in mind, Mr. Gandy, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in the breakout room. Ms. Harris is gonna go over the offer with you. And Ms. Harris, talk to Mr. Bowman if you need to get some understanding of the offer. All right?
Okay.
That's the matter. Let's go back on the record with Gis. Join the room, Mr. Yanni. Let's go back on the record with Gis. Mr. Gist, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Here he's back again. Counsel, what's your client want to do? What's he going to do with these cases?
Take the minute offer by Mr. City, Mr. Bowman's offer, Your Honor.
What is that?
That offering impeding traffic, the rest of the matters will be dismissed.
It's no impeding, allowing $240 fine, absolute right to a trial, or improper plates with unregistered untitled. Was the vehicle untitled? Was the motorcycle untitled?
Yes, Your Honor.
It was. It wasn't titled, right?
It wasn't.
Was it, Mr. Gist, or not?
No, I'm sorry. No, it wasn't titled. You were right. I'm sorry. That's what I was.
Let's raise your right hand, Mr. Gist. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense, 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Johnson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not? Did he
Yes,
go over
Your Honor.
your advice and rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anybody offer anything other than what's been stated in the record? Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let me draw your attention back to July the 11th, 2022 at around 5:03 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Shane and Canfield, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I'm sorry, say one more time, Your Honor.
Did you, on July the 11th, 2022 at around 5:03 p.m., city of Detroit in the area of Shane and Canfield, did you have an occasion to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you operating this moped, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And was the moped titled, registered?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
I'll find your claim guilty as charged to the amended count of improper plate, $240 fine, dismissed upon payment. You were having fun on that moped, weren't you?
I apologize. I was honestly coming. I was coming from a football field, from playing football with my friends, and I kind of did a little carried away.
Right there at that nice field on Mack and Shane, right?
Yes, sir. I went to. I actually went to school there my entire life. I went to the DEPSA, Detroit Edison Public School Academy.
What year did you graduate?
I graduated 2022. So like I got put over probably like a few weeks after my graduation, literally.
So you know my young cousin, huh? Greg Pace.
Gregory Pace? Yeah, Gregory Pace is one of my close friends. You can call him right now.
That's my cousin.
That's with him.
I better not hear I better not hear Greg
Yeah,
riding that moped or weaving on around in and out of on the other side of the road and stuff like that.
That's funny. That's funny. I'm so
All
sorry.
right. Mr. Gist, city's giving you an opportunity to do good work of your lawyer. What I do appreciate about you is that you have hired yourself a very good lawyer. Keep Mr. Johnson around because these offers don't come around that easily. But you always need to have, I say everybody needs to affiliate themselves with the very good lawyer, and you've done so. So tell Greg that you were in my courtroom, all right?
Yes, sir. I'll actually give him a call as soon as we get done.
All right. So dismissing the other matters, when are you gonna pay this, Mr. Gist?
I actually get paid tonight, so I can actually get it. I can, get it paid tonight.
Pay it by the end of the week. Come in Friday morning at 8:25. Come in Friday morning at 8:25. Pay it, and we'll dismiss the case. And I'll get you in and out. I'm gonna waive the warrant fee, and there's gonna be another $45 reinstatement fee attached to your name. So I'm just concerned about the 240. I want you to make sure you know it's another 45 on there. You pay it, we'll dismiss the case, and you won't have a record, okay?
I appreciate you so much, Your Honor. I appreciate it so much.
All right. Well, you thank your lawyer too. All right.
I appreciate both of you guys very, very much. I do so much. Whew.
And the city attorney. We have a very good day and best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Same to you.
Good day, Mr. Gist.
Be safe on that moped.
Thank you, Mr. Bowman.
Thank you.
All right.
Have a good day, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
So my cousin went drafted out of high school by the Toronto Blue Jays. So Mr. Zamora, you're back.
Yeah, hold on. Jackie.
What's going on with this? Brandon?
Yeah, it's not. We don't see no breakout room.
No, it's just gonna put you in the waiting room.
Oh, and I know when we type in a number, it said something was wrong. ID something.
What number are you typing in?
36033700.
Call them over there again and see if they're still over there. You got 4 zeros or 3 zeros?
3 zeros.
It's got to be 4 zeros.
Oh.
360-337-0000.
Oh, all right, thank you.
All right. Where is who's up next? There's an iPhone. What about Gorgeous? She gorgeous. iPhone.
I have
What about-
Gandy.
You got who?
Gandy.
Gandy, I know Gandy. I'm gonna get, Giles hasn't, let's go back on the record with Giles. What's the
Well, we asked for a check of the license, Your Honor. Was the court able to do
Check the
that?
license, please. All right, let's pass it. We'll get the license checked. Gandy, let's go back on the record with Gandy. What's gonna be the resolution, if any?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting trial dates. And we're also asking that discovery be made available.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Gandy?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna mark file request discovery be made. Gandy is at the first person on 835, Mr. Bowman. And
I I see it, Your Honor.
If it exists, these are all cases. Trial date is gonna be on 11/22/2024. All right, Mr. Gandy?
11/22.
Yeah, he can go back. Well, I wouldn't go back and get in that car. But that's
Please go to the
probably-
Secretary of State, Mr. Gandy. Please go to the Secretary of State.
Hold on, let's see if he owes any. He doesn't owe any no insurance proofs.
I had paid off some of my tickets at that road to restoration program. That's what I had.
He doesn't owe any no insurance proofs. So go try to get a valid license, bring it in on the 11th, 2022, November the 22nd at 9 a.m. All right.
Yes, sir.
Best of luck to you, sir. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Giles' license is valid. Mr. Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I see Mr. Bowman in 4?
You may.
There's a lot of problems between white and black in that area.
All right. Let's wait on that. iPhone is gone. What about Gorgeous?
I was very impressed with.
I'm right here.
All right, I can't see you. What is your name, ma'am?
Gorgeous Love.
Gorgeous Love. Gorgeous Love. Gorgeous Unique Love. I told you that last time I saw you, I said that's like a superstar name, isn't it? Did I say you that?
I think so. I remember you saying something like that.
I'll see what she's done since the last time. Gorgeous Love, Gorgeous Unique Love, City of Detroit versus Gorgeous Unique Love, case number SP159-46991, SP159-4704, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, please state your name for the record.
Gorgeous Love.
Today is the date and time. Good morning, Ms. Love, for a pretrial. The offer, as it stands right now, is that's yesterday's. Failure to display, which really should be. It's got failure to display, improper plates, and limited access. So not only did the officer throw the book at her, the city is trying to throw the book at her as well. Go get an updated offer from Mr. Bowman, all right? Mrs. Love, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, wait on Ms. Harris. Keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial. Oh, you can see if she has documentation. All right. You can see if she has documentation and stuff if we need to. Michael Brown, and then last but not least, it's going to be Latham. Miss Latham.
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Is that Shalonda Latham?
Yes, it is.
Entered into some payment plans.
Yes, I came down there and entered the payment plan, but I didn't want to because they gonna say when I came to make the court date, how am I making y'all gave me a payment plan. I haven't had that car since February. We discussed that the last time we was in court. The car been sold. So y'all charge me with something. I don't even have a car. This is crazy. I done been to court on this issue all this time.
I know, but the problem is, it always, not always, but most of the time it reverts back to you. Because if you're telling me what you're telling me is true, I can only surmise that you sold this car. You did not follow that person to the Secretary of State to make sure the car was changed in his or her name that you sold it to. They probably drove on that car still in your name and got these tickets.
That's crazy.
That's probably, if you're telling me what's true, that's what probably happened.
That ain't what happened. The state police been took that. The car got, it was left, it didn't even work. The state police had told the car didn't even work. Like, I don't get this. Like, I'm paying, y'all want me to pay $400 or something. I ain't even got the car. Didn't have the car. The car been gone. The state police told it. And now y'all gonna tell me I gotta pay for something?
Well, you said you sold the car.
No, I said I don't got the car. I ain't say nothing about sold the car. I didn't say sold the car, sir.
You didn't? I mean, yeah, this is. See, go back and see if she says she sold the car.
No, I didn't.
This is Shalonda.
I never said I sold the car. I said I don't own the car.
You say you don't own it?
Yeah, I don't got the car. I ain't had the car since January.
You said February. No, we just talking. We trying to talk through it.
I ain't got the car. I just don't feel like I should have to pay that. I ain't had that car. This is crazy. I said the state police told the car. I don't get how I don't get how all this is coming about my name like this. I'm getting warrants. I gotta come down there. That was crazy. I can't afford this. I charged me up with something I ain't even got.
Are we ready on gifts?
Ready on Giles, Your Honor.
Giles, let's go back on the record with Giles. What's gonna be the resolution?
Your Honor, per the prosecutor, the current offer will be veiled by my client. The offer to matter ending in 012 is defective equipment.
No, it's got to be improper plate. 240.
I had plates on the car.
No, wait a minute, please, Miss Love. I'm not even Miss Latham. I'm not talking to you. We're talking about Giles right now. You get your chance. It's got to be improper plate. 240.
Yes.
Or dismiss upon payment.
All right, improper plates. The no insurance charge is improper plates.
On 4741.
That's correct.
One of them. Yeah. One of them anyway, right?
And then the disregarding a traffic device, 7013, could be limited access 1 to 5. And finally, well, not finally, but the next is no registration to reduce to failure to display.
No registration unless it's unregistered, untitled. That's a misdemeanor, then it'll be an improper plate. If it's the no registration, that's a civil infraction as charged, $126.
Yes, well, that's better. That's way better.
That is. All right, no registration, go ahead.
And then you have the driving with defective mirror. And finally, defective equipment for the
windshield or whatever.
Whatever that is, yes. Insufficient defective lights, something.
Defective equipment, 120. Defective equipment, 120.
Yes.
No
sir.
registration, 126. This is for Mr. Giles. Limited access, 125. I'll do no registration, 90. Limited access, 125. Improper plates, 240. Improper plates, 240.
All right.
You hear that? 240, 240, 125, 90, 120, and 120. That's going to be the fines. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
Outside of today,
All right, raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, sir.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, sir.
You understood those rights?
Yes, sir.
Questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up.
Yes, sir.
Has anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
this is pretty good information because we've never been able, the FBI has failed to know it. We've never been able to find out where Mr. Franklin was after doing the killing.
All right, let me draw your attention. We're going to take this a little bit out of the, we'll do the same intent of the city, but we'll do it for efficiency's sake, take it on different case numbers. Let me draw your attention back to February 26, 2024 at around 9:58 p.m. in the city of Detroit, the area of DeQuinder and State Fair. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with that Detroit Police Department on that day?
I believe so.
You believe so? You have to know so or not?
I believe so. I was on my way to work at that time. I'm not
so
sure.
You know that? Do you know whether you came in contact with him or not?
Could you recall the date?
Chevrolet?
Could you recall the date for me?
February 26, 2024, around 9:58 p.m. in the area of DeQuinder and State Fair. On DeQuinder near State Fair.
Okay, yeah, I recall.
You recall that? Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, I didn't have a valid license at the time. I believe it was expired still.
I'll find them guilty of the amended count of allowing. That's the same effect as an improper plate. $240 fine, dismissal upon payment. The officer asked you to produce, was there something wrong with the plate on that vehicle, sir?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
Was there something wrong with the plate on that vehicle?
I believe it wasn't transferred yet to the car that I was driving.
Very well. Find him guilty. You keep saying you believe. Do you know or not?
No, I know.
All right, so it wasn't transferred, right?
Not at that time.
All right, so find him guilty as charged to the improper plate. This is like, I mean, this is like they wrote you for everything that they possibly could. So,
Your Honor, are we on Mr. Giles?
yes.
Okay.
Giles. So, I was looking for the no registration. So what happened here is that that's a different ticket. You want a limited access for him. You have a valid license. Congratulations on that. I wrote this up wrong. Was there what was was there something wrong with the vehicle? Windshield out or bumper or somebody that
My front bumper was damaged. Windshield was fine.
And the rear view mirror was off as well?
Yeah, it wasn't off, but the mirror is off. The actual thing that holds the mirror is on, but the mirror itself is gone.
Right, okay. All right, so what we'll do is this, we'll find you responsible for that stuff. Are you working?
Yes, I've been working since July.
Ask charge on that and allowing for the 74501 allowing. So that's 480 right there. Great. This disregard the traffic control device, it's will you stipulate on behalf of your client to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea counsel?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, with that, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, 125. So here's what we'll do. We will fine him 240. And then, where are you working, sir?
I'm working at a place called Futuramic on 10 Mile in Hoover.
What do you make an hour?
I'm sorry?
What do you make an hour?
20.
Do you have any kids?
I have well, she's about to be 2 on the 17th of this month. So I have a 2-year-old, I would say.
All right, I would say so too. 17th, happy birthday to her.
Appreciate it.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna save you some birthday money, and I'm only gonna find you the 240s, the 480. And I won't add the other cost in there.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate that.
All right. You're welcome. All right. When can you pay it?
Could I get 30 days?
Come back on October the 10th, 2024.
All right.
I'm gonna allow a payment plan. I'm gonna allow a payment plan as well. October the 10th, 2024. Pay it at any DivDag kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. If it's nothing further, best of luck to you. Congratulations on the birthday on your child. And if you can't pay it in full, make sure you come down to the court and get to a payment plan, okay?
All right, no problem.
All right, have a great day. I'm waiting for you warm feast. All right, October the 10th.
All right. Call or just go down there?
Well, if you get into the payment plan, you're gonna have to come down here. If you pay it on the DivDag kiosk, or you can pay it at the DivDag kiosk, so you can upload the DivDag kiosk on your phone, or you can go to the stores. They have the DivDag kiosk in the stores. It'll go through immediately on that.
Okay.
All right, have a great day.
You too.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Shalonda Munsell Latham. Case number SP1 5410521. We'll call counts 2 and counts 3 into the record as well. Appearance for the record, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Latham.
Shalonda Munsell Latham.
All right. Did you ever get back into the record to see?
I couldn't just move on.
Okay. All right, very well. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, we will waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
All right, enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. Any objection to set the defaults aside? No proof of insurance and insufficient or defective lights. Any objection to setting those aside?
No objection, Your Honor.
So Ms. Latham needs a birth certificate. Did you ever get a birth certificate?
Yes, I got a birth certificate.
You didn't get a driver's license though.
I ain't driving. I'm not driving. I don't. I got a lot of issues going on. I don't have time for that. I damn near lost my house. I'm not driving no car. I don't own no car. So I didn't go get a license. I ain't gonna lie. I did get a birth certificate. I got a lot going on. I just don't think I need a driver's license because I'm not gonna drive. I'm catching the bus. So I don't want to go do that. I don't feel like I should have to go do that. Y'all already robbing me. I don't got time for I don't got time. I ain't got no money to pay no driver's license. I don't.
All right, Mr. Berry, you got a loaded one on your hands there.
No, because Detroit always playing with people. That's not funny to me. Like y'all taking my money. It's hard out here. I just lost my son. It's just a lot going on. I don't think that's fair or funny. Like y'all charge me something I ain't even had that car. That's crazy.
Listen. I'm not laughing at you. What did you lose?
Everything. My son got killed. Y'all keep bringing me back and forth to court. I done came here before y'all charging me stuff. I don't got this. I don't know. I just want this stuff to be over. So whatever you about to do, can you just do it? Because I got to go to work. And I'm upset about this. Y'all done charged me $400 for a car I ain't had since January, February, whichever one. This is crazy. Detroit is crazy. I'm moving to Canada.
Miss Latham, I'm sorry to hear about your son. When did your son pass away?
In July.
Sorry about that, man.
I just want whatever's about to be done. Can it be done? Because I'm about to be late for work. I can't afford to get fired. Please.
All right. All right, give her an offer, Mr. Bowman, on the updated, on the no proof of insurance and the defective lights, and then the driving while license suspended. Give her an updated offer. She has an absolute right to a trial. And this allegation was made.
We don't even get.
The allegation was made on July, strike that. The allegation was made on January 21st, 2024 at 12:44 a.m. in the city of Detroit.
I'm on court now.
Are you listening to me, Ms. Latham?
Yes, I am.
I said the allegation was made on
In
January
Yeah.
21st, 2024 at 12:44 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Plymouth and Rutherford. That's when the allegation was made. So speak to Mr. Berry and wait in the, speak to Mr. Berry. He's gonna go to Mr. Bowman and get an offer for you.
Okay.
And wait on him, and he'll come in the breakout room and speak to you. You have an absolute right. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Let's pass it.
I'm going to 4.
All right, very well. All right.
Before
let's go
Mr.
back.
Bowman leaves, sorry,
Let's
could
go
I
back
make a
on-
request?
Yes.
Go ahead.
It was actually, I'll wait till we go back on the record. It's a discovery request for Ms. Love.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Love. We're giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Go ahead, Mrs. Harris.
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date and asking for discovery, trial and formal hearing.
All right, that's for Ms. Gorgeous Unique Love, and she is on page on page 2 at 835. That's what you want to do, Ms. Love?
Yes. Yes.
11/22 at 9 a.m. November the 22nd, 9 a.m. Okay, ma'am?
November 22nd at 9 a.m. Okay.
Yes, have a very good day.
You too.
All right. You want to go in there with Mr. Berry and speak to Miss No?
Yes, sure.
All right. Investigator Hopkins, good morning to you, and Corporal Rule. Gillette never showed. And Gilbert never showed. So, and Officer Williams, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
You got Gilbert as well. He never showed.
Okay.
All right. So be
Thank
safe
you, Your
out
Honor.
there, and everybody be safe. Have a very good day.
Yeah, when I went to go check, or when I was about to go check, they came, yeah, you went correct. Then
Yeah, she loses her son. I can't mess with her.
they said that, they said one thing. said
Yeah,
another.
she's feeling it.
Overwhelmed.
Yeah, we had it. He was here, but he never did come back. No, I don't think I got Carter. I got Michael Brown showed up. iPhone. I don't remember Jackson and Osborne. I don't know what happened to them. Roger Point showed up. Robin Gatson, she left. Gordon never appeared. Jasmine Gaines, she's supposed to go over to the other court.
Oh, 10:30, 11:30. No, not tomorrow, Thursday. 12. Right, okay. You want anything from McDonald's or Tyson? No, I want to, but I had McDonald's on Saturday, so and I can't. That's for good discipline. All right, I'll be back there. What I was gonna ask. Oh, that's for who was? Oh, it's for Monday. I put them in my drawer. Because I have to make a list of my discovery requests. A tab. Everything the family has no.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Latham. Ms. Latham,
10:30 to 11.
You want to take the deal?
Yeah, and then the
Yes.
service. Is that
All right. The
yeah.
deal is leading to the defective lights, defective equipment. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea. Mr. On behalf of your client.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Find Ms. Latham responsible for the defective equipment. And Ms. Latham, in the interest of justice, I sympathize with you immensely. You lost your son. I know it's hard on you, and we're not going to compound anything down here. We'll dismiss, we'll close it out. Okay, ma'am?
Thank you so much. I truly appreciate you.
And I'll really be praying for you, all right?
Please do. Thank you.
I will. Have a great day.
Mhm.
All right.
All right.